Hey John, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me today and requesting this video. So today we're going to go over a few tips that you guys can apply right away to get more traffic and get more of those organic leads because 70% of those organic leads stem from your website. So it is really important that your website be fully optimized so that you can be found for your services. So as you can see, we are on your website. It looks like you have a separate page for each of your services, which is perfect. You have a nice looking website. Looks like you have a wide service area, which would require a separate page for each community that you service that has keywords. I do believe you have those. I just haven't been able to figure out how to get to them. But I did see them in your backlink profile. Let's see. Got interlinking between pages, which is good. You have content. But I'm not actually seeing any local buyer intent keywords um, for this page. So Google does not rank your website based on appearance. It's based on content, and content is key when it comes to ranking. The more content you have, the better. And you need more content than your top competitors in each of your service areas. So Google wants a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on your homepage going after your local buyer intent keywords. So in Brooklyn Park, most of your pages would be built around Brooklyn Park because then you would have back pages for your services for your service areas, and it would have those keywords for each of those communities as well. But buyer intent keywords, those are the keywords people are actively searching for the services that you offer. They may not know the name of your company, but they know the services that they need. And in an emergency situation, they're probably not going to be specific about who they're trying to reach. They're going to call the first company they can to get them to their property right away. So it is important that you dial in your content strategy. The same goes for all your pages. Each page needs its own 100% unique content. You cannot use duplicate content on all your pages, especially your service area pages. They all need to be unique. Otherwise, Google considers it spam. It's not going to index it, and you're not going to be found in those areas. So it kind of defeats the whole purpose. Google has crawlers that are little robots that go and index all of your pages, pulling your content and looking for keywords to rank those keywords and put you in front of your customers. So it is very important to work on your content and keyword strategy. Your top competitor in the area that services the Minneapolis Twin Cities area is Rapid Restoration. They don't have a fantastic website, but they are hitting the key points. They do have separate pages for each of their services and service areas. They have more of the buyer intent location based keywords. They've got more content. So in order to beat these guys, you need to have more content throughout your website and be focused on those buyer intent keywords and remember different content on every single one of your pages. That's the first part. Now, here's the second part. So this is your SEO. You have a rating of a 28 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which is pretty good. And that is 100% because you're referring domains and backlinks. You have a lot of backlinks, over 10,000 backlinks. That's pretty impressive. But despite having over 10,000 backlinks, you only index for 295 keywords. Um, and you're only seeing 120 people to your website out of several thousand possible to land on your website. So you're missing a big chunk of traffic. And that's because majority of your backlinks are all going to your homepage where you don't really have any relevant keywords. And so to be indexed for keywords found for your services or service areas, it's not going to happen on your home page. You need those backlinks spread out through each of your service pages and service areas, and you need backlinks attached to those. But not all backlinks are created equal. So you need more backlinks than your top competitors, yes, but you also need better quality ones, and you need to use the backlinks correctly. When we look at your keywords real quick, um, you are on the first page for several of your pages for your business name and a couple of the keywords. Um, you have about 10 actual buyer intent keywords that are on the home page. Everything else um, are several pages back. So you definitely need to work on the content, keyword, and backlink strategy. Looking at your top competitor, they only have a rating of a 7. They only have 1,200 backlinks, but they are indexed for over 2,500 keywords because they're just using a better content and keyword strategy. And because of that, they're getting over 2,400 people to their website every month. So even though you have a better website, better looking website, better backlinks, they're still getting the traffic. So that just shows you how important all of these strategies are in working together. Looking at your backlinks, what backlinks are is when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. The more relevant this website is that links to you, the more authority and power it's going to give you. And when they are do follow backlinks instead of no follow, they share the power with you. But you do need to be linking these these backlinks to your keywords so that you can actually rank for those keywords and be found for those keywords for the services and service areas. Um, okay, so the next thing I want to talk to you about is this Google Maps section or Google My Business page. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section in each of your service areas and for your relative keywords, because 30% of people go directly to the maps and won't go any further. So if you're not listed in the top 3 in each of those areas, you're sending all of those leads to your competitors. Now, in order to be in the top 3, there are a variety of factors, but the most important is the name of the business. It's called citations, which is the name of your business, your address, phone number, website, and listing those in a bunch of places like Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, etc. And you need a lot more of those than your top competitors. And when you follow all of these tips I've provided you today, your website can be #1 across Google for all of your relative keywords and service area keywords. We hope you found this video to be helpful and useful and that you'll be able to apply it and get that organic traffic. If you do need help getting any of this stuff done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.